Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider to subscribe. I'm Susan Velesi, and in today's video I just want to take you with me to Kamkunji market. I'm going to do a little shopping there for Christmas. You know, we are in December, the month of December, and the month of December we normally do a little preparation of Christmas. So I'm just going to buy things that I'm going to use to bake cakes and to buy my girls Christmas dresses. So guys, let's prepare breakfast first before leaving to Kamkunji. So here I'm preparing pancakes. These are American pancakes. I want to eat breakfast before leaving to Kamkunji because I know it's going to be a long day for me. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you.
Shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got none. I'll be standing.
So come with me, let us go to Kamkunji and do a little Christmas shopping, guys.
I would never wait for something to let it go to waste, with everything at stake. I thought I would take it all back. I just wanna make this thing last, but we're running out of time. We were doing alright, holding on, but I'm losing the fight. Could we run away? I know if we just hit ground, running, closing off all the world with no light coming in. Bending before we break. Don't you know, you and me, we can run away.
guys, here I am at Kamkunji market. I'm in this shop called Alphabees Kitchenware. It's located in Kamkunji in this mall called the Place Mall, just a ground floor. If you ask Alphabees Kitchenware, you are going to be directed there by anybody. It's a famous shop. It's well known. So guys, there is where I am doing my shopping. I want to buy my baking dishes, baking tins, and I'll go and buy for my girls a Christmas dress. So these baking tins, I'll be baking cakes, cupcakes for my kids during this month of December, or during Christmas. Hope you're enjoying this video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you.
Two souls colliding. We shared the pieces of ourselves. It's perfect timing now. We fueled the flames, but we're still learning to trust, learning to trust. It's never enough, never enough. Burning me up, burning me up. Don't fight the fire, too much too fast will burn us out. We walk the wire, love. Don't make me read your mind, I know it. Learning to trust, learning to trust. It's never enough, never enough. Burning me up, burning me up.
So guys, I'm back home and I want to show you what I bought at the market. So these are the things that I bought at the market. I bought this one. It's a cake mold. I don't know if you can see. My camera is not focusing. This is just a cake mold. So let me open and show you how it looks like. So we have this. So beautiful, guys. For it's a love shape, and they come 3 in 1. So this one is just a circle shape, and we have this one, a square shaped. So they come 3 in 1. They come 3 in how can I say, they come 3 pieces. So in the box we have 3 pieces, and this one cost me 650 Kenya shillings. It was an offer. It was an offer, so I got it with the offer. But the actual price is usual 1,000 Kenya shillings. That is $100. Is it $100? $100? No, $10. So they come 3 in 1, or 3 pieces. In this box they come 3 pieces. So I bought them at 650 Kenya shillings. That was an offer. The actual price, they normally sell them at 1,000 Kenya shillings. That is $10. So I was lucky to get them at 650 Kenya shillings, and they're so nice, guys. I don't know if you can see, their size are big. Like this one is big. It's not small, guys. It's big. They're very nice. I'm so happy. So expect the baking videos. Now I'm going to be baking, because now I have, and I bought these ones, the cupcakes, how can I call them? These ones for making the cupcakes. There are 12 of them, and these are reusable. You can use them after you finish. You wash them and you can use them again. So there are 12 pieces, guys. This one I bought them at 200 Kenya shillings, and they're reusable, guys. So for making cupcakes, they're reusable. You can see they're very, I don't know if my camera you can see well, but they're very soft. You can just use them, and again after using them you can wash them, guys. So there are 12 pieces. I got them at 200 Kenya shillings. That was an offer, but the actual price is always 300 Kenya shillings. So I got them at 200 Kenya shillings. I went when things were on offer. they had an offer at the shop where I went to bought it. So the next thing that I bought is this one. The hand mixer. It's a hand mixer. Let me open so that you can see. It's a hand mixer. It's a hand mixer. It comes with this. So it comes with this. So this one you just fix. So this you just fix here, guys. It's easy to fix them. So this hand mixer, I got it at an offer at 650 Kenya shillings, but its actual price is 1,000 Kenya shillings. And it's okay, guys. It's good. It's good, guys. So you can get it at 650, or the shop I was buying it, they were selling at 650 because it was an offer, but its actual price is normally 1,000 Kenya shillings. So you see, have this ones again. This one you can just fix and use them. So those ones. The next thing I bought were these. These are kitchen storage hooks. The hooks. Let me open this one so you can see. So I've not fixed it. You just fix it. I don't know how to. Just fix it like that. Then I fix it. This one is a hook. You hang here your spoons, your serving spoons. You just hang your things here, maybe your serving spoons. You can either, there's a glue here whereby you stick it, or you can do it like this, the way you want it. You can rotate it, so you can rotate it like this, guys. So I bought 2 of them at 200 each. Each was going for 200. I don't know how this can be. So I bought these ones that for cake, guys. So this one was going for, I don't know if you can see, this one was going for 400 Kenya shillings, but it has everything for decorating a cake. And this knife for putting the icing sugar on the cake. So I bought this one, guys. This one is for putting your kitchen towel. You just stick this one on the wall. You can either stick it like this or like this. This one I bought it at 150 Kenya shillings. So the next thing was this one. For queen cakes, guys, these ones I bought them, each was going for, I can't remember this one, guys. If I remember, I'll put it down. I bought the 2 of them. Put here, then you add your mixer. So the 2, I bought 2. The next thing, I bought this brush, the silicone brush. This was going for 120 Kenya shillings. It's a nice one, guys. So the next thing, I bought this charger plates, golden one. So this charger plate was going for 400 Kenya shillings. I really love it. So the next thing, I bought this, maybe for putting here sugar or flour. So I just bought 2 of them. So these ones were going for 250 Kenya shillings. One was going for 250 Kenya shillings. I bought the two of them. And the next thing was these socks for Shania. So these ones were going for, I can't remember actually guys. So these are just socks for Shania. So here we have 3 pairs of socks and the other one 3. They're just socks guys. Let me open them so that you can see. So 3 of them. Then guys, I bought this. Actually the final thing that I bought was this dress for my girls. Christmas dress for my girls. Do you buy Christmas dress? Actually in our house or in our home, how can I say it? We normally buy Christmas dress, especially for the kids. So the yellow one is for Skylar, and the white one is for Shania. So even this one I bought them at Kamkunji guys. They're so nice. I don't know if I can show you. They're you can see. So they have their dress. So this is the final thing that I bought guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching till here. I really do appreciate. Thank you my subscribers. Thank you my returning subscribers. Bye, and let's meet on our next video. Say bye mama. Okay guys, bye.